Wahala Deo. Now it is Ebuka Obi versus the Dibias. Now, do you know the Dibias I'm talking about? Those ones that are displaying dead bodies as if those ones that tell you Alose or one idol killed a particular body. And in this case, the body has to be deposited at a particular shrine. Yes, they tell you Alose killed this person, and anybody that Alose kills, according to them, anybody that their gods killed has to be dumped at a particular forest. Or else, the Alose, Amadioha, whatever you call it, the Alose can return and clear the family. So that is what it is. Ebuka Obi has come out to fight these people. He said anytime he sees anything like that, he's going to take it up with that person. Now, some of you might be thinking it's going to be a spiritual fight. No. He's going to do it the simple way. I'll show you the video. But before I show you that video, let me tell you something. Recently, a particular Juju priest, because there's a difference between Juju priest and native doctor. A particular Juju priest was arrested and is in detention currently. That was about 2 months ago. Somebody went to report to him, this Juju priest. Somebody reported to him that somebody is owing him, that he should help retrieve the money. Normally, if they report you to such priest of Alose, you are expected, they will summon you, they will ask you to come and deposit the money at the Juju priest's place, the Alose. Then later they will take the money and give to the person who made the request, perhaps for a little settlement. So in this case, somebody went to report somebody at the Juju priest's place, the shrine, at the Juju shrine. And the other person now was met due to fear, due to fear you will want to like settle. People go to these particular places to settle disputes. So somebody reported the other person quickly took the money and went to deposit it at the shrine so that the other person can have it. Now the person in charge of the shrine, the Juju man, took the money, squandered it. And the other guys were like, give us our money. The other person said he has paid you. He has paid, deposited it at the shrine. But nothing happened. They used police and picked up the Juju man. He's in detention. And this Juju man is the priest in charge of one of the greatest shrines. A shrine that is revered, that is feared. But he's in detention. I thought he will escape, or the Alose will help him vanish from the shrine. He's rotting away in jail, pending maybe when he gives the person the money. And let me tell you, some of these things are not what you think. Some of these things, you watched that film by Kenneth Okonkwo, Alusi, when a particular idol cleared a whole family for doing certain wrong. You watch that film. So these things are to instill fear actually. They tell you this, they report you to the shrine. You have to go and somebody can, maybe you are owing somebody. The person will just go and report you to the shrine. Then the people who are in charge of the shrine, who are managing it, will come and tell you to bring the money to the shrine. And in the case you don't bring the money to the shrine, they tell you, Alose will kill you, their idol. And I have realized the Alose may not be killing people, but they are the ones killing the person. And when the person dies, the person's corpse is expected to be deposited at that shrine. So Ebuka Obi has come out and told them, if I see that again, it will be the first case I'm taking up. Maybe he's not those kind of guy that does business with police. So he's not going to take it up spiritually. For some people who would think he's going to fight a spiritual war. No, he's going to report to the police. He has lawyers, Such ministry as that of Ebuka Obi has in attendance chief executive of the top companies. people in various professions, rich men, poor men included, top notch of the society. So he says he's going to take it up. I would like to see the first he will grab. Hey, all these new guys that are coming out to deceive our people. Let us watch that video.
I'm sure deal with the sponsor. Sponsor. Those bloggers that are televising it. If I say it again, as I'm going to deal with the chief priests, I'm going to deal with those bloggers. Will you cut this video? Let them hear it. And you want whom Gamada Bragosio Zuna wants on him more here. If I meet him, that person will prove that day, the day his shrine becomes a cemetery, and the day his shrine becomes a mortuary. Enough is enough. Akwa ina bada alibo. Ebile ya hunde kwatoro. Amen and amen. Amen. Obedeka dochisiri nda momono. Omeworo ya mama na ekwu okwu. Ejide dochisi nda momono. In unjust community, silent is a crime. When you keep silent, when things are good, where are the traditional rulers? Where are the prophets? It is now becoming a culture. Every day, anusime egwele mmadụ. Lakwaya, onye jide ngwa bịa, enough is enough. Nwudenge again, adowa ngi na alụsị ọnụ. Akwa 6 months. Ahụ be the onwe. You prove his shrine. Who even permitted you to? Do you know what is a dead body? When somebody die here now, order you to be televising it. And hi, don't worry. Come home here again. Enough is enough. Last Sunday, I'm the Igbo. What is Sunday? Sunday. Kucha Kuoma can 1 night work age. On a tape. Oyana asking and I fight Ebuka Obi na fight Kuku. And we are monso. Otu am no. One, I am not just called, but I am chosen by the Lord. And then we're monso. Most of these people believe when somebody just Go and read the history of Ebuka Obi from desert. How many rivers grew before I am not today? Each and as I Amen and amen.
Amen.
And enough of that rubbish. One day in what's an alusi budia, Ijebros one day tap on him or him, Mina, and one achia, Anya, poor, Imia, poor, Nalusi Buru one day. What nonsense! Obi a quang, Ibros one day tap on you. We shall lose. It will not happen again. Fatty, that case, yeah, but the first case, medicine where police case and the court case, Ebuka personally. Me na case. O follow a take here. O fu judges in Abieba. O fu governor Abieba will deal with you. Ebuka ya de apotanimia. Mmedeti ya kobo. Amen and amen.
Amen.
Amen. Ndane kujam na Facebook. Yem di abaha nkiti kam na abaha. Ama me yem menga he was asking ku maka Ebuka iye ekuzi. Ebuka Bible to be quoted. Obuni feel na Ebuka nwe crowd. Oh chukwu na eme. Obuni ya mmadụ na eme. Give somebody a high 10.
So that is it. Ebuka Obi also included people who are abusing him, who are making videos against him, saying ill things about him. Now, I think he will take that fight personally, not as a ministry. Perhaps people will be invited to the police station to explain what they say. So, I think you better say what you're sure of. And you stop all these scams in the name of Juju priests. Those scams must stop in our Igboland. You know, Ebuka's focus is mainly on Igboland. What he said applies to mainly what is happening in Igboland. Time of scam has gone. You'll be seeing a lot of Juju priests. I don't want to call the native doctors because the native doctors are the good one, the herbalists. These are people who actually do traditional medicines. But, you know, these bad ones are trying to spoil the name for the whole of them. There is a difference between herbalists, the native doctors, and the Juju priests. The ones enshrined that are killing people using Juju. Yes, they actually kill people. The LOC does not kill, but some of these people kill. And the body is expected to be returned to. And before you know, we had some of the cases, they pluck up people's eye and sell to, or the body parts and sell to people, or use it to make rituals, or sell to people who wants to do ritual with it, who wants to use it for blood money. So Ebuka Obi is out for this set of people and those who are using his name wrongly, insulting him. If you say anything, be ready to come and prove it. That is what I am noticing. That's the way I think he will be dragging it. But specifically, he was talking about mainly those who are showcasing dead bodies as if they were killed by their own LOC. The defaulters who were killed by the LOC. It will not be business as usual. You know, the security operatives have not been doing what they're supposed to do. Now, there are people who are watchers, watching you. A lot of native doctors, not native doctors, a lot of Juju priests, Voodoo priests, a lot of you are going to be in jail. And I hope you'll be disappearing from there because you have charms. It was recently we realized that most of these things are... Yes, I believe that charms do work, but most of what you are seeing are fake. Matthias disproves some of them. That is it. I'm not a fan of Matthias. So there are places I don't like what he does, but then he disproves some of these. He exposed them. Yes, some of these are not charms. Some of those things they are doing are practical in nature, but they try to mesmerize. Most of them are scammers in the name of Juju priest, coming to deceive people. Beware, you are warned. The various prisons are widely open, getting ready to swallow fake Juju priests. Please share this video widely. Bye for now.